Hey boys,
What are you doing, man?
is that the new V6?
Yeah, this is the new V6.
Oh yeah, look at that.
This is the original.
The original Swinger. That's clean.
So much room to work on the damn motor. You know how hard my headers were to put on? I spent 13 hours in the back on my driveway. I used to underneath. Trying to get to them. There's just no room like this.
Yeah.
This is all black and the high side of this.
That's great. Clean.
You know, we can't make our cars sound like this.
What sound?
We cannot make our cars sound like this. We
Oh,
can make
yes,
it sound
yes,
easy,
yeah.
but not like this.
Yeah, no. They got that sound.
Yeah, well,
What year is this thing? This is 71? Yes, she is.
all right. I bring my wife here, she goes to St. Pete.
Oh, yeah.
What about the shifter? Look at that.
No, she's obsessed.
Great looking car. Swinger? The original Swinger. Hey, what year's your Swinger? 69? Nice. What do you think of the new ones that they just came out with? No go? Yeah. It was just a name they threw on that popular name, right? How long you had it for?
It was my brother's car and he passed away last year. So
Oh,
it's
okay.
in the family, but he had it about 15 years.
Okay, gotcha. Amazing, beautiful car. No, I saw this. I was like, oh, Swinger. Oh, they're trying to remake it, but yeah, I guess so. Like you even see the old Dart, the new Darts, right? Oh.
There's nothing like the old cars. All the cars look the same now.
Exactly. No, phenomenal. Thank you.